Shall we do a friendship day card?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. Now stick these two papers. Put Fevistick over here. Open Fevistick. Take two different colors of any papers that you have. Flip the paper now. Flip it. Now start folding like a paper fan. Fold the paper fully like that. Now draw a peacock picture with different colors of pen and cut it out. Then stick the peacock with the paper fan that we made now. In the next step, apply Fevicol in the outer side of the paper fan and stick it into a A4 sheet paper. Now we are going to make butterfly shapes with different colors of A4 sheet paper. Baby, are you ready?
Yes.
Can you do the shapes?
Yes.
Now take a thick cardboard sheet and fold it into half. Now make the kids to stick those butterfly on this cardboard sheet. The last step is to apply Fevicol on the A4 sheet and stick it with the cardboard sheet. Make the kids to write a note to their friends and the card is ready.
Share and subscribe to Saregama Kids Fun.